Confused about choosing Geeetech Transparent PLA, Silk PLA, or Matte PLA? Today we break down specs, surface finish, price, and best use cases to help you pick the right filament. All three Geeetech PLA are 1.75mm diameter, dimensional tolerance 003M, recommended nozzle temp 190-20C, hotbed 50-60C, low warp, beginner friendly, compatible with most FDM 3D printers. Transparent PLA, highlight transmission, glossy clear effect, best for lampshades, translucent decor, light up models. Notice, maximum transparency, needs slow print speed and post-polishing. Silk PLA, luxury silky metallic luster, vibrant color performance, hides minor layer lines, ideal for ornaments, jewelry, art display pieces. Matte PLA, frosted non-glare surface, elegant low-profile texture, great at covering layer marks and tiny printing flaws, perfect for miniatures, architectural models, and daily touch items. Let's check the full comparison and price range. Transparent PLA, transparent glossy mid-price. Silk PLA, shiny silky finish, higher price. Matte PLA, frosted matte surface, standard price. If you want visual light effect, transparent PLA. If you pursue premium shiny decoration, Silk PLA. If you prefer natural advanced texture and budget balance, Matte PLA. Quick buying tips: choose Matte PLA for daily printing, great texture with balanced cost. Pick Silk PLA if you need eye-catching glossy works for sale or gifts. Grab Transparent PLA only when translucent lighting effect is required. All Geeetech PLA feature stable diameter, less jamming, and consistent print quality. Purchase links for these three consumables are pinned in the comments section. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more guides on consumables.